no green screen. As you can hear, the laundry's running. That's where the green screen is at. We have got, oh, that is loud. We got an impromptu unboxing. I had something come in from Russell over at Artisan Cutlery.
Put the gun down. I saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Patience, Brad, patience. So anyway, we got this box. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna take a look at what's in it, and I've got a special announcement about it.
Well, we're waiting.
Please, patience, please. All right, well, I'm holding this camera up because I don't have my tripod set up yet. Let's go ahead and turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. I was getting everything set up and doing some sharpening and being done for the evening because it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock here. This package was out at my front doorstep. I didn't realize it. My wife told me I had a package. This came from Russell over at Artisan Cutlery, and the thing about this is everything in this box belongs to me with the exception of one small item. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, we're gonna take a look at it because you guys will be interested because the fact is, the majority of this stuff, I believe, is gonna wind up being giveaway stuff. So guys, let's not look at it here. Let's turn it around, take a look at it from above. No studio lighting set up, but I have an extra little surprise for you guys because what I'm opening this up with is something we're actually gonna get to use, review, and then sharpen and send to its owner. I have a Rockstead in that I already did a quick just touch-up sharpening on to remove the couple little chips that were in it. We're gonna do a sharpening on this for the paying customer, or for the paying members who get to see the sharpening video on this. And I will do a full review and first day in pocket. Probably do first day in pocket tomorrow. So for you guys, it's Saturday. So yep. Guys, I didn't want to lead you on. You are not gonna get to see the video of the sharpening of that Rockstead. I already did it, and I have to tell you, pardon me, that the amount of focus it takes to do that, there is no way I can film that. I would screw it up. And I mean, still, I have some work left to do on it because there's a lot of stropping that goes with that. So you will not get a sharpening video for the members. I apologize. I will do a video talking about the proper way to sharpen them and the method I use and the tools, but I'm not going to go back through that sharpening again unless I have to. If I do have to resharpen it, but no, I don't want to go through that again. It was taxing, time consuming, and nerve wracking. Probably the first time you've seen someone actually use, this thing is nuts. How well it cuts. I'm scared of it. I'm not gonna lie. So all of this stuff that's in this box, probably, the guy told me it's gonna be a user, so I could use it and film it and do whatever on it. So at any rate, this stuff all came in from Russell. There's not a whole bunch in here. There's more in here than it looks like. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Let's open this up first. I think I know what's in this. Pretty sure I do. So I've been wanting to get to see one of these. I can tell by the way it feels. It absolutely is what I think it is. 99% sure. Let's see. Is this what I think it is? No, this is the Sirius. This is going to be a giveaway for you guys. This is the ARRPM 9 and black G10 version with the really nice looking copper bolsters. So this is going to be a giveaway knife. Since we've already reviewed it, let me put that in its pack. I told him he didn't have to send me the packaging because I already have packaging for one of those. What else is in here? Let's see. So this is not something I can give away. This is the special Myalia. This was the limited edition for Blade Show West. This is carbon fiber and S35BN, I believe. Serialized. This is number 4 of 61 and M390. Sorry, M390 carbon fiber titanium pocket clip titanium. So this is something, this is here for a specific reason, and we'll be going right back to Russell. These are, I like the Myalia. The Myalia was a nice knife. I just couldn't carry it. It kept coming out of my pocket. So the solution to that was, I have the more Myalia. This, Swags' design is really good. I do like her design. This is a nice knife. This is the more Myalia. Man, that is good. I carried one of these around just playing around with it at Blade Show West. So there's that. This is a nice one too. Wow, this is good. So yeah, so I have the more Myalia here. This will be a giveaway to you guys. But the big one, the one that's going to be a lot of fun, just this little additional Saturday content you guys are getting. I've wanted to see one of these for a while. This is the Great White. This is the Mike Gavik Gavco Collab Great White. So this is a unique looking knife. It's skinny. It's like a lot of Mike's designs. I like the aesthetics, but in hand, it's probably not going to fit. Man, this reminds me so much of my Mako. My Ferrum Forge Mako that is currently at Cole's house. So you see this is absolutely 100% a Gavco design. You can tell just by looking at it, that thing is ridiculous sharp. So this will get a first day in pockets. All this stuff's gonna get a first day in pockets. I'm gonna do the first day pockets on this probably tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you right now, having one in that I can use and carry is going to make it a lot of fun, but this is going to get a little bit of use. Like I said, I did a quick touch up on it just to get rid of some chips so I could give it a good cut. And then he wants this whole thing done probably up to 3,000-4,000 grit. So we'll see. I told him there's a chance every time I've ever sharpened one of these, I wind up with a little bit of grit contamination in rags and stuff because I use water stones and I'll get some small scratches on it. He said he's fine with it. So yeah, we have a Rockstead, I believe this is a Heisen in. So these two items here, plus this, are all gonna wind up being giveaways, I think. So this is a good looking knife. That is a very good looking knife with the black. I'm gonna keep this pristine. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I carry mine and use it all the time. It's a great knife, I love it. It's actually on the shelf with knives that are in and out of pocket all the time. This one, I do believe this will wind up being a giveaway. I don't know, we'll see. But this one definitely, as much as I like this would just not wind up being something that's in my carry, but this is a great knife. Swags did a good job on this design. I cannot argue it's a nice design. I liked the little one that I wound up doing as a giveaway. It's just, it was so small that when I would carry it, it would push itself up out of my pocket. Something like this is a little bit better with a deep carry pocket clip. Nice design, Swags. So there you go. Guys, that's it on this one. We're just doing a quick unboxing. So let's turn it around, do some final thoughts. Hey guys, that's it on this one. A lot of stuff that we're doing to giveaways. This is going to be giveaway stuff. This one, great knife. I love mine a lot. Swag's design is awesome. I can't say enough about how good the little Myalia was, the original Myalia. It's just, for me, someone my size, it wouldn't stay in my pocket the way I wanted. And then I've wanted to get to see one of these for a long time. So some cool content coming up. We got 3 knives here that we're going to look at. I'm going to carry this for a while before we just do a giveaway. This might wind up being a giveaway as well. These are kind of hard to get a hold of, so I don't know yet. Guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. But you got to tell me why. I can't change the content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as, like I always say, like, share, subscribe. It's the best way to support any channel. It pushes us up the algorithm. But if you do want to support the channel financially, there's like a bunch of ways you can do it. First and foremost, I have the membership tabs down below. It gets you in on early access to videos, sometimes that may change. Additional content, extra content, exclusive content, premium tier sharpening tutorial series, and you save $5 per knife on my sharpening service. Other ways you can do it, I have affiliate links down below. Anything you purchase, I get a portion of it. Check out, it doesn't cost you anything extra. And the final way is I have a merchandise store on Ember Shirt Co. that you can purchase any of my shirts and merch. I've set up a coupon code for you that works anywhere on Ember Shirt Co. And that coupon code is CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp. Saves you 10% at checkout, I believe. And if you send me pictures you wear in my merch, I will put them in the video. I got to get Jared to send me pictures of him wearing his merch. Yeah, guys, that's it. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.